Hi, this is Tracy at TierraCast. We love wrapped cord bracelets. There is so much potential for creativity. We have a project video available on our YouTube channel that demonstrates the basic technique, and in this video we want to share some of what we've learned about measuring, variations in design, and different closure ideas to give you more tools to get creative with this technique. For these bracelets you need cord. It can be cotton, leather, or plastic. 1.5 to 2 millimeters works well. To determine how much you'll need for a single wrap bracelet, measure your wrist and then double that measurement because your cord is going to be folded over. And then add an extra 12 inches or so for all the knotting you're going to be doing. So for a 7-inch bracelet, for example, 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 12 inches, 26 inches of cord should do it. For a double wrap bracelet, one that wraps twice around your wrist, multiply your wrist measurement by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add the extra 12 inches of cord. And for a triple wrap bracelet, multiply your wrist measurement by 6. Add your extra 12 inches of cord. For 4 wraps, multiply by 8. You get the idea. To determine how many beads you'll need for your bracelet, allow between an inch and 1.5 inches for your closure. It will depend on how you choose to close your bracelet. And then fill in the rest of your wrist measurement with beads. So again, using a 7-inch bracelet as an example, you'll need about 5.5 to 6 inches of beads. For a 14-inch double wrap bracelet, about 12.5 to 13 inches of beads, and a 21-inch triple wrap bracelet, 19.5 to 20 inches of beads, and so on. Next, you'll need to decide how you will structure and close your bracelet. There are different approaches. In these examples, the button loop is created at the very beginning of the process when the cord is folded in half. The cord is bound together with thread or knotted and bound together, and then the weaving is done, and then the buttons are attached at the other end and secured with a knot. In this one, we made the button just by tying knots in the ends of the cord. And another interesting idea is to use a large hole bead as your button. And now in these two examples, the buttons are added at the very beginning of the process. They are strung to the center of the cord when the cord is folded in half. Then they are either knotted or bound or both, the weaving done, and then the button loops created at the other end by tying knots in the cords. The biggest part of your design will be the beads you choose to weave to your cords. Probably the most popular design is just a single strand of beads in a consistent size, like this version with some gemstone beads and TierraCast faceted cube beads, and this one with 4mm cube beads. Stacking beads is also very fun. In this one, we've used some crystals alternated with stacks of spacer beads, designed so that each row is about the same length. And this one is made with gemstone beads and 4mm beaded spacers stacked together. The gemstone beads have a little bit more size variation, which gives the bracelet an interesting wavy effect. In this bracelet, we used a square-stitched panel of seed beads. So, as you can see, there is a lot of creativity possible with wrapped cord bracelets. If you're inspired to try one, you'll find links in the description below to our project video and to a downloadable project sheet on our website, where you will also find other design ideas. We hope this inspires you. Have fun, and thanks for watching.